What is going on, guys? Chandler from EzStocks here, come back at you with another video. Again, we're going to be going over our top 3 favorite stocks for this upcoming week on September the 14th. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into our first stock of the week. Alright guys, so our first stock here is going to be Oracle, ticker symbol ORCL. This is a company that is going to absolutely explode, I'm thinking, here in the pre-market slash market open of tomorrow. As you can see from this big 5-year chart, it's been a very slow and steady stock, no real good growth potential. It's basically doubled from $31 up to a $61 high. But that's not what we really care about. We just had word that TikTok is being saved. The rumors, Oracle has bought TikTok, the US operations. So I expect to see a pretty big jump here. So if you do not have pre-market or like the 3 a.m. trading time, Eastern time, I really suggest you guys click in that description below. Webull, sign up for it. Webull is a broker that can let you basically trade almost 24 hours a day. So you can trade at like 3 a.m. up until like, I believe, 10 o'clock p.m. at night. Something crazy like that. So make sure you take advantage of this. Definitely could ride up the hype train. It could, who knows how high this is going to go. It's a fairly low market cap. I believe $140 billion, which is still a good chunk, but it's not like crazy big. Like Apple is like at $2 trillion. So, you know, it's all in perspective there. But again, that's going to be our first play. And pretty much just a hype run up. Do not try to hold this super long term, in my opinion. Just go for that hype train, go up maybe 10, 15, 20%, and hop on out. All right, guys. So our next stock up here is going to be ticker symbol LULU or Lululemon. So as you can see, this was the pre-run up. We've had this on our stock previews, our top 3, quite a few times now, and this is just another good opportunity. Again, it's pre-crisis highs around that $260 mark. Fell all the way down to 128, and it's already almost doubled that. It's over the double mark, up to 399.90 as its high. But now I want to close in here on this 3-month chart. As you can see, had quite a big dip. This was on that tech drop. If we zoom in even more on this 1-month chart, again on the second is when you start to see this big drop. It's already down to $308, which is actually insane. If you draw that line all the way over, you're taking it back all the way to July 16th, somewhere in that time. So it's got to find a bottom. As you can tell from the RSI here, it's below that 30 mark. If we even come down to that 1-month chart, again, it's still chilling behind it. Anytime it's dipped below, it's had a little bump up here. But again, I feel like it's fallen way too much for its own good. Got to find that bottom at some point here. And just looking for the Monday and Tuesday open. If it continues to drop, I'm just going to let it continue to drop. But if it does see that little bit of recovery, which it should have some sort of recovery, again, that RSI is at that under that 30 mark here. So again, look for that to have a nice little bounce up, and it should recover. It's over almost $100 down from its high for basically no good reason. The earnings were pretty good, and you thought that would have bumped the price up, but no, it did not. So again, just look for this. Moving on to our final play of the week. All right, guys, our last stock we're going to be talking about is Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. If you don't know what Tesla is, just get out of here. Just leave the channel. You don't even deserve to be here if you don't know what Tesla is. But anyways, Tesla has been having a pretty drastic drop off here. We saw some signs of recovery later in the week last week. But what I want to point out is the play coming up in the next week. We could see an anticipatory run up here coming with Tesla Battery Day. Tesla Battery Day, again, is going to be happening on September 22nd. There's some big rumors that they got some new crazy technology to basically extend the range of the battery, double the lifetime, and extend like the range by basically 50% on each of its batteries, which could be basically revolutionary, given like ranges of 500 miles or something like that. Something crazy. So definitely take a peek. We saw anticipatory run-ups before. Again, this chart's a little weird because of the stock split. But if you zoom in here, I guess not even zooming in is going to help out. But basically, this is when they announced that stock split, and it just ran up like crazy for basically no reason. There was no like fundamental change in the company, but it ran up. And now there's going to be that point of a fundamental run-up with something that could be very, very revolutionary. So keep your eye on this stock here with this week and into next week. That being said, guys, hopefully you found this video enjoyable and helpful. If you did, make sure to leave that thumbs up. Let me know what I can improve on as well. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Peace.